Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first let's launch the Play Store app, and here in the search pool enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now here we can see the info with the information about our device battery temperature. In my case that's 33 and 4 degrees. Also we have here more different information, just a lot of different kind of info like the Android version, device model, battery level, capacity, health, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.